Welcome to OnPrintShop. Today I'll show you OnPrintShop workflow management module, taking the case study of our customer who is wholesale printer, who only serves print brokers, resellers from more than 15 years. Their major challenge was to manage internal operations and workflow effectively due to very large volume of orders, inflows and deliveries. We will see how the effective use of workflow management have resulted in managing more than 100 orders in a single day. Now let me share the first step for creating your customized workflow management. So as a first step, you have to create order product statuses. You see over here awaiting artwork, awaiting proof approval, proof approved with changes are all statuses for pre-press stage. Similarly, over here you see Canon Digital Press, Roland, Advanced Finishing. Those are the stages for the printing stage, and here the order statuses has been created for the finishing stage. Once those statuses are added, based on the status, workflow admin can be created. Let's get back to the PPT to understand a very simple flow of production stages. So the first flow is the pre-press. Over here we see Matt is a person who would be responsible for pre-press. For production, Chris and Corey would be the responsible person. Similarly, in the back end, you see over here Matt is a person who manages the pre-press. Chris and Corey are responsible for production, and Jerry is a person who is the manager of workflow for pre-press and production department. Over here, as it is shown, Jerry would be managing both the departments. So Jerry would be the responsible person managing Matt, Chris and Corey. So once the job is passed from pre-press to production, it can be passed to post-press and then to finishing and shipping. So the post-press responsible member is Pete. In admin, we see over here, Pete is a person who is responsible for post-press, and John Doe is responsible for packaging and shipping. So let's see in PPT. Over here we see that John Doe is a person who will be managing the finishing and shipping. Similarly, this is a very simple and a sample flow that has been explained over here, but depending upon your internal management, you can create as many such stages you want, like pre-press, production, post-press. You can name them, you can have responsible person for those stages, and you can certainly have managers for those specific stage. So from front store, while printers, customers are ordering a product, they have an option where they can order the product online by choosing available products with dynamic pricing calculation that gives the exact calculation for the product, and they can choose for upload or online design option. There's a second option for customers where they can also request for a quote, or if the customer have walked in or they have called the printer or they have emailed, printer can also add order on behalf of the customer from add new order section. They can search the customer and input the order on behalf of the customers. Now let's assume the printer's customer have processed the order online and the order number is 664. As soon as the order has been placed, being a super admin can see an order over here which is order 664. So here we have the first workflow responsible person as Matt, who is managing the pre-press department. So as soon as the order has been placed, Matt will get an order information. So let me log in as Matt. As soon as I log in as Matt, the order would be straight away sent to the proof approved stage. Over here we see order number 644 that has been placed. So Matt, being a pre-press manager, can simply review the file. They can download the file over here, and they can also download the invoice. Over here you see this is the file that has been placed by the customer, and this file would be completely vectored and layered print-ready PDF file. With this file, Matt will also have an access to the job ticket where Matt would be able to see each and every order information. Once Matt reviews the design and he feels that the design is not proper or it is incorrect, he can also modify the design over here. So being a responsible person, Matt can also upload another file where he have made the changes. And once Matt uploads the file, Matt can also directly send an email to the customer asking for approval. So Matt can put up a comment that please approve the file with changes, and Matt can save this. So as soon as Matt saves this, customer gets an email, and customer would also be able to see the order information from their My Account. Customers can view the file that Matt have sent for approval over here, and customers can approve these files, and once customer approves the file, it will send an email to Matt with information. And as soon as the order has been approved, Matt will get an email. Similarly, the workflow manager who is looking after the pre-press department, they would be directly able to communicate with customers from while they are logging in into their workflow dashboard. Over here, you see all the orders for which Matt is responsible, and Matt can transfer those orders on those stage. So the first order when received would be in proof approved. Matt can also transfer the jobs to awaiting artwork, awaiting proof approved, and this is the order which shows 664, which has been already approved by the customer. So once Matt's work is over, Matt can transfer this order to the next department, which is production department. So over here, Matt can choose in print production, can put up a comment and can save it. So as soon as Matt saves this, order number 644 would be removed from the pre-press department, and this order would be transferred to the next department, which is the production department. So now let me log in as Chris, who is the responsible person for production, and as soon as I log in as Chris, I see order number 664 has been transferred to Chris from Matt. So Chris can either transfer this job to Canon Digital Press, Roland, or Viewtech, or if this job is already completed from the production part, Chris can transfer this job to the next stage. So now let me transfer this job to the packaging stage and save it. Again, as soon as the job has been transferred, it would be removed from Chris job board and it would be assigned to the packaging department. And further, the responsible person for the shipment, who is John Doe, can certainly log into his admin. They can download the shipping label and can process the shipping. So this is how the whole workflow can be worked out. And lastly, being a super admin, the printer manager can actually see what all jobs are in the past orders, what all jobs has to be processed on 10th of September, yesterday, today, tomorrow, what all jobs are pending. Over here, one can see order processing jobs, pre-press job, printing job, finishing job. So as soon as the super admin logs in to the backend, they would be able to access all the order statuses and the detailed dashboard for how the work is going and can track each and every part over here. So thanks a lot. I hope you have enjoyed the workflow management. This was just a quick overview, but it has a lot of capabilities and the whole workflow can be customized as per the printer's internal management and operation. For more information, you can visit us at onprintshop.com or contact us anytime on 718-715-1551. Thanks for your time and look forward connecting you. Have a great day.